All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 4 of foldable number 1 for adding polynomials. So for this one, we have two trinomials here. We have 6j squared minus 2j plus 5 plus 3j squared plus 4j minus 6. So we're going to go ahead and add these together. So we have our green is selected. So green is going to be the first one. We have our 6j squared minus 2j plus 5. And we go ahead and switch to our blue. Then we have our 3j squared plus 4j minus 6. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, we're just going to go ahead and put a line underneath and add. We have our 5 plus a negative 6 would give us a negative 1. We have negative 2j plus a positive 4j would give us a positive 2j. And we have 6j squared plus a 3j squared, which is give us a 9j squared. And that'll be it for this one. And I realized I didn't do any monomial plus monomials. So I wanted to make sure, I'm actually going to do like a 3-parter here. So this is going to be a similar, so it's going to be 6a squared b plus a 7ab squared, 2-parter I mean. So for this one here, whenever we're doing things that are different variables, for example this one, we'll go ahead and do this one in red since we haven't used red yet. AB is the same as AB. So remember, it doesn't really matter what our variable is. I mean, we can take AB and make AB equal stars. So we have 6 stars plus 7 stars, as long as it's the same. So this, of course, would be 6 plus 7 would be our 13 AB, or stars if we're substituting. But this one here is a little different. I know we talked about this in the past, but I kind of wanted to go over it just in case you guys forgot. If you have a 6a squared b and a 7ab squared, these are not the same. Even though they have a, b, and there is a squared, the a is being squared in this one, and the b is being squared in this one. So this, you cannot add. They're not compatible. It's like saying, and the easiest to say, if I were to substitute a squared b as, I don't know, a hamburger. Just like a regular 1 patty hamburger. Right? That 1 patty is right there. And then I was like, oh yeah, but you know what? I'm going to substitute ab squared as a double patty burger. It's my 2 patties, my bread, and my other bread. I know it's so bad. So you can't add a hamburger and a double burger because you have a hamburger and a double burger. You can't just say I have a triple burger. You know, it doesn't really work that way. Poor analogy, but as long as you guys understand. So this being said, these cannot be added together because they're different. So this is just still going to be 6a squared b plus 7ab squared. I know a lot of times this happened a lot at the end of the last semester. People trying to add things like this together because they thought they had to, but if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's just, it is what it is.